Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? How y'all living? How y'all feeling? I'm looking and feeling like $1 million. You get what I'm saying? Like, if he make you feel like $1 million bill, say it. Oh, oh, say it. I know I love the bust out in karaoke. Y'all my audience. I love singing for y'all. Doodly, 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 doo. You already know why we're here. You seen the title and you seen the thumbnail. And hopefully your girl is looking good because I don't know. All right, so is y'all ready to be introduced to my new friend? Is y'all ready? Okay, I don't think I'm ready. All right, let's bring her out. Let's bring her out. Drum roll. Bam. Okay, this is the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig, and this is Yara. If you've been rolling with me for a little bit, you know what I'm saying, riding around and getting it with your girl Shanise, you would know that I already tried the Yara Bang Wig. That was my first wig. If you haven't checked out that video, I will leave that link down in the description box below. That video is such a classic to me because that was my first wig ever. And I tried it on and y'all got my real-time reactions. Like, y'all, I was tripping. The wig didn't even look good on your girl, but I still had so much fun recording that video. Okay, so this is Yara, Mrs. Yara, in the color 1B. So we're going to go ahead and take Yara out the pack and see what she's talking about. And here's the stock card. Do you mind? Ba-bum-bum. If I... Y'all, it got lace on it. Oh, I gotta cut some lace. Okay. She feels really, really soft. I like this part. Here's the part. That part looks really, really good, y'all. Like, nice and natural looking. And then we have the lace that I'm going to have to cut off. On the inside, we have the 2 combs. We have the 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and do a wig swap. Please hold, let me get my wig grip. Okay, take 2. Okay, this is the wig when I first tried it on. Oh, I look like a salt. Y'all know Angelina Jolie? I'm about to kick y'all hind parts. I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side so y'all can see what it looks like. And here's the back. This is the part up close. The part looks pretty decent. Like, I can't even lie about that. All right, now I'm just going to go ahead and cut the lace off the wig, you guys. Okay, y'all. This wig looks very, very natural. I don't know if I like the whole, what is it, asymmetrical? I don't know if I like the whole asymmetrical look on me, but it looks really good. It feels good. I'm getting a couple of tangles at the ends of the hair, but that's expected. It's a synthetic wig. The hair feels like nice, soft, and yucky. It feels like that yucky. I like that feeling. I'm gonna go ahead and add some pressed powder to the part, but overall, I think the parting is really, really nice. Yes, she bad. She bad, you know, and she love the attention that she give when she move, girl. Yeah, it's just not me, y'all. If it was shorter, like Luna, if it was shorter, maybe, but I'm just not feeling this look on myself. Okay, y'all, I'm here to give you guys my final thoughts of this wig. I went ahead and took off my wig grip because I noticed that the cap kept bulging up right here. But even though my wig grip is off, you can see that it's still bulging right here. It's still bulging up right here. I have no idea why. I thought it was my wig grip, but it's not. Maybe it's too big for my head. And I have it pulled all the way back. I didn't tighten the strap, so I don't know what it is. To give you guys my final thoughts of this wig, this is a very nice wig. I didn't experience no shedding since I've had it on. And I've had it on for a little while because, you know, recording takes some time. I don't just sit down, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, and everything's done. So I've had it on for about an hour and I haven't experienced any shedding at all. The hair, it did have a few tangles at the end, but that's expected. It's a synthetic wig. But other than that, I can run my hands through it. I love that yaki texture hair. But overall, this wig isn't for me. I'm just not feeling the style on myself. Where you can purchase the wig, I'll leave the link down below in the description box. And like, look at that. Can y'all see it? I really am not feeling this wig, y'all. I don't know why, but this wig is not bringing out like my extra read all about it alter ego. Like, maybe this style is for someone else, but you know, everything ain't for everybody. So I'm not even mad, you know. I just wanted to try it out. The reviews was really good. And I like the style of the wig. And I have been wearing a middle part lately, so I thought it would look good on me. But this wig is not for me, okay? I don't like it. I don't like it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, you guys. If you have any questions or any comments regarding this wig, drop them down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, you already know what I'm about to say. I don't even feel like I should say it, but I'm going to say it. I'm going to say it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. Hey, like my intro and my outro jingles be, yes, we be jamming, y'all. We be jamming. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.